Hello guys, welcome back to Brenda Lee's Creation, where all things printable. Welcome back. I am so glad that you stopped by this evening. I would like to show you all a basket that I am putting together for one of my church member and friends. She retired, and so they are having a celebration for her today. But I won't be attending, but I will be putting this basket together for her. So I have already assembled it. I'm going to take it apart and let you watch me put it together and tell me what you think. And I would tell you the things that I have here and where I got everything from. So, as you can see, I have my basket here, and I have stuffed it with some newspaper and covered the top with the white paper. This is it looks like a blue in the light, but now that I'm in this room, it sort of look awkward, but I think the colors match pretty good. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in this beauty work pedicure set, and I got this from the Christmas tree store when they was going out of business, and I paid I think like $5 and some change for it. So I'm going to place that at the back here, and I hope you can see what I am doing here. Let me bring you up closer. Okay, so I'm placing this at the back, and I have some Dove Gentle Scrub. I'm going to place that right there. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this box around because I'm going to put these little slippers in there, and so I kind of stuff them with cardboard. Just go ahead and do that now. I'm going to slide them down like that in the back. I guess I will go ahead and start taping this as well. And that's going to kind of give it some support. And I'm going to stick a couple more items in the back here. I have a tablet I would like to put in the back, and this came from the Dollar Tree. And it says, "Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path." Psalms 119, verse 105. Yes, so I am new at the basket making. Last Mother's Day was my first time doing the baskets, and I did pretty well, and so that encouraged me to try more and to do it again this year. And so this year I'm not only going to do the Mother's Day baskets, but I'm also going to do Valentine's and Easter. So I have a lot of Easter stuff. Don't really have a lot of Valentine's stuff, but I do have a lot of Easter stuff that I have purchased. And so I will be doing those baskets. And I've been doing the Dollar General hauls and getting a lot of boxes, and I will show you all some of the boxes that I have that I was able to get like for $1 and some change. And so I've been kind of stacking up on those. I bought some more this morning. They was having the big, well, I ain't gonna say the big sale, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you heard of the sale they started on Thursday that ran, I think it's running through today and maybe over today. But I did go out this morning to one store to see what they had. I had went out early part of the week, Thursday, when it supposedly was starting, but I really didn't find anything. So I just kind of kept checking back, you know, to see if I would run across some of those, purple. Yeah, the purple dot. And so I did this morning, but it was only boxes and a few other items. Like I said, I will show you all some of those things once I get this basket together. So, I've been watching LBE. Shout out to LBE and Boss Lady Felicia. Been watching a lot of their videos and learning a lot from them. So I appreciate all that you all do. And I am trying to do the same. So I do have, I'm not going to say a lot of spare time. I am retired. I did early retirement 3 years ago. I print t-shirts, mugs, all those type things. My YouTube is Brenda Lee's Creation, all things printable, because if it can be printed, then I will print it. And so that's, you know, I spend my time doing that. Get orders by, mostly by word of mouth. I have not really put myself out there to just be taking a lot of orders, but I do pretty good with what I get. So I put some tape right there. I should have had my glue dots out, but I don't. So that should hold it. But just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna put some tape. Put some tape here. Excuse me for being all in the camera. Take this as well. So let's see here. So this here is some body cologne, I guess you would call it. I got that from Rose's. Yeah, I think I paid $1, no more than $2. And I had bought this back last Mother's Day. So, yeah, I don't think I paid more than $2. Well, I know I didn't pay more than $2, but I think it may have been like $1. I'm not for certain. It's not gonna hold that up there. Paper. To kind of hold that up, so I can get this tape together. I think I'm gonna put one long piece across here to hold it as well. Okay, that is what it's looking like so far. I think I'm gonna take this out of the pack there and put that right there. And take it down. I'm going to take these sides here. I wanted to put something on this basket, about retirement, and I still may do that. I just have to go and find some sort of image that says something about retirement. Okay, so I got that much in there. I'm gonna put this little thing, says relax. I got that from Dollar Tree. It's a purple dot, and I think it was like 30 cents. So I can see a little better with these on. I think I'm going to prop it right there. What y'all think? I don't really want to hide that. Or maybe if I put it like that, it may not hide, but it seems like I'm missing something. These are some tissue, and I got these from, I think of the name of that store, Bargain Hunt, and they was 25 cents. I don't know. I have this toilet spray, and it's really good. So you know, when you go places, you use the restroom and you hate for anybody to come in behind you. But excuse me, this here, if you spray it in the bowl right before, it kills the odor. It really works. So I'm gonna use that, but I'm gonna stick it, I think, back here if I can. Yeah, I'm gonna stick it right back there, and that kind of push those things up to the front. And I have this scrub. Y'all know what this is. But I have these. I bought some of these. They were like, I think, $4 to a pack, and I got those from, I believe I bought them out of Marshall last year. And they was nice, a good size. They was a little bigger than the Dollar Tree one. So, and I got 5 for $4, and well, I pretty much paid $1 for each one. I think it was like $4.99. But I was able to get 5 of those. And so I'm trying to think, where can I put this? Or where should I put it? Should I take this out and put that instead of the scrub brush, the scrub sponge thing? Put that right there. Right there. Okay, I'm just trying to see. I guess I could put that right there. It's a lavender fizz that you put in the shower, and it gives off this nice aroma that's so relaxing. Just put it in there while you're showering and let the steam put that right there. I got that. I'm not going to use this. I need to put something right there. Okay, let me see if I have a candle that could probably fit right there. Excuse me. Let me look for a candle and see if I can make that work. Fill up that spot there. Let's see, what can I fill that up with? Okay, y'all, hold on. Don't quit. Let me see what I have. Fill up that spot. Got a green candle, but that ain't gonna work. I want to stay with my color scheme. Don't want to get off of that. I don't want to start throwing anything in there to fill it up. Nope, don't want to do that. And that's the next thing I got to work on, is making sure when I start buying stuff that I'm buying color scheme, so that everything will match with the box, with the basket. Oh, I don't have anything that I can find right now. Like I say, y'all, I'm new at this, so I don't have a large stockpile. But I'm trying to get there. I got some little this and that, and I'm trying to get there. And that is too big to put over there. Let's see here. I'm looking, you all. I am looking, trying to find something that will match. As I say, I don't have any candles. That's the next thing I need to work on. Get the candles. Hey, y'all doing a recording.
Oh, so sorry. Walk across there. You see how it's going?
All right, y'all. I have someone here checking out my floor. Yeah, it's leaning over here on that side.
Settle. What's it on? Yeah. Yeah, definitely over here and over there. This floor is. What's it on? Huh? It's on dirt and cement block. Jack it up. Yeah. Well, if you jack up, you bring this up. That ain't that bad, but you want to level it out. That one should level that out. Yeah. If you jack this whole side, because this drops off over here. Yeah. Big time. Okay. She said how much you don't.
All righty, y'all. So I had
Oh yeah.
So my husband brought someone in to check out the floor because it's leaning. When I bought this unit, and we put it's on bricks, and so over the years they have started to sink into the ground, and so my floor now is shifting to one side, so it needs to be jacked up, and though and something put under there to keep the blocks from sinking into the dirt from rain and all that over the years. Okay, so the only thing I could find to put in this basket that may not throw it off too bad is this here. Now to you it may look blue, but it's green. So, and then I have this, and I would love to use this because it is like a spar kit, a spar basket or what have you, to put in here. But then if I do that, that's gone, it sets up higher, so that will cause me to have to start rearranging stuff, and I don't want to do that. I have just assembled this, so I don't know. Still have this. I could take, what if I take that out of the box and just set it down, if that will work. But I still got a gap there, so I would like to have something I can set right down in there. And I'm probably just going to have to fill it in with shred, because I don't want to really have to put that much shred over there, but it is what it is. And so thinking here, I could just put it, I think that'll work. Yeah, I'll just do that. I think that will work. Then I can just fill in these little spots here. And okay, y'all. I think that might work. Y'all tell me. Because right now, I'm just doing what I do. So yes, I think that will work. Let's take this back down. Yeah, let's take that off. Ain't working. Let's see. We will take that little finger down like that. Okay. So guys, this is the basket, the retirement relaxation basket, I guess you would call it, a spar basket for a retiree. So again, I have the pedicure set here. I have some cologne. I have this balm. It's a lip balm. I have the lavender fizz that you put in the shower to help relax you. And we have the serum for your eyes. I think that's what that is. To use that under your eyes. And we have the Dove soap bar and the Dove body wash. So we have that, and let's turn around to the back. And in the back we have the toilet spray. We have also the slippers, and we have the word. the pad with the word on it. So yeah, we have the word with the pad on it, and I need to pull that up some more because I really want that to show. So I need to take that. I'm gonna pull that up. And hopefully she will like this basket, and I know you can use it. Everything in there can be used. So that's not the issue. Everything can be used. Okay, so that is the back of the basket. And this is the front of the basket. So, you all tell me what you think. This is Brenda Lee's creation. Thank you for being so kind and patient enough to watch me for 27 minutes. But do me one more favor. Hit that subscribe button. And the notification button so that anytime I upload another video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And please share, because this will help me to grow my YouTube and to go wherever the Lord is leading me to go. So I thank you. You all pray for me that this will be successful and that I will continue to just do what the Lord has given me with my talent and my gifts, so and my skills. So again, thank you all for watching. You all be blessed, and may God continue to smile upon you. And heaven is your home. Thank you for watching.